This is our little story and a true, true thing. Two hearts come together in a mutual win. Keeping it together with a real life. Welcome to the family, this is our life. It's perfect. I'll just set you here for me. You're the sugar to my tea. Meet the Mitchell family.
Good morning, good morning, good morning. What day is it?
My birthday!
We have a 6-year-old, guys. Happy birthday,
I'm
Alice.
happy 5-year-old.
No, you're not. You're
I'm
6
still
now.
5.
Ozzy, whose birthday is it? Whose birthday is it?
My birthday is
It's Atlas's birthday.
Yeah, it's my birthday, Mom.
Oh, okay. No, those are Nana's cards. Speaking of Nana's cards, we celebrated Nana's birthday yesterday, which was so lovely. I'll put in a little clip of it for you guys.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Nana. Happy birthday to you. May the good Lord bless you.
May the good Lord bless you. May the good Lord bless you.
Happy birthday to you. Hip hip hooray! Hooray! Hooray!
I'm ready.
Ready.
Okay.
Ready.
Yeah. Have fun.
No, Ozzy, no.
That's it. No. Yay!
Thank you guys. Thank you. Wade and Tami. Thank you for this lovely day. I really enjoyed it. All my wishes came true.
Awesome.
Thank you so much. And thank you, MTN family.
Yes.
All those wishes coming in. I have to go. When I get to bed tonight, I'm going to read them.
Yes.
So, thank you so much.
Be careful.
All right. Light sheet here.
Happy birthday. Happy birthday. Happy birthday to you, Mr. Atlas. Happy birthday.
What do you say? Which one do you want to open first?
This one.
All right, go for it. How my M&M's get in this mix? I feel like the M&M's are mine.
Open it.
I feel like the M&M's are
Open
mine.
the birthday boy. Size, Mom, the family size. Me, because I'm me. Really don't want family size.
This is true. That's my favorite size.
you
These
have
got
to listen
sent
to
to us
the
from
birthday
Auntie Annette. So listen,
It's my own.
I feel like they're mine.
No, it's mine. No, it's mine.
We're having a M&M shortage in Jamaica, so they didn't even realize how serious this is right now.
Mommy.
The place is just well quiet. So guys, today is a what we call a very special day because we don't really get out of the house much, but we get a one blind and we are heading. It's a road trip, people. We know we never planned for this road trip. Me, I'm a big son here, so going to Sumfest. It was actually something that came up for work, and I thought to myself, then hold on there, if I can work and still get to enjoy myself in it. Sumfest is like that's where my heart is. I'm there at Kingston, but that's where, you know what I mean? Because you don't know our world that and the music and the vibes and everything, the whole atmosphere. So Gio was saying yesterday, boy, Jano, Daddy, I wish we could have got down for even one of the night then for Sumfest in Star. I'm going to say, guess what? We are. Yo, I say, I drop it on him like a ton of bricks. He never expected it, never planned for it at all. So we're looking forward to it. We're heading out soon. It's coming up to, we're going to reach down there by probably in the night. We just head to the show, whatever, overnight, quick, and then come back in the morning. I'm not itch, I'm not tarry. So, you ready? Them that.
Oh, Popsy is here. But look what Popsy bring people. Is what? Daddy, I didn't even know that Devon House sold them this size.
They couldn't get it in Gala, so they said.
Are you kidding me?
So they just Jackson's birthday on Wednesday.
Oh my God, where am I gonna put all of this, Daddy?
See here?
Daddy, you don't think this is a little much?
They will remember me for the rest of their life.
That's crazy!
Thank you. Oh God.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Atlas. Happy birthday to you. Hip hip.
You made a wish? Alright, blow
Try
it
not
up.
to speak.
Alright, we're out on the road now, guys. Road trip has begun. Alright, so we're going to catch little on the way. We won't do a whole heap, unless something eventful happen. But yeah, we are heading out to Sumfest right now. Night 2. Tonight I got nice berries, Bounty, Beanie, Wayne Wonder, Coffee, Dexter Daps, whole heap of big artists, whole heap of big performance. We're looking forward to tonight. That is it. We're heading straight to the venue now. Fresh up a little and things, so straight to the venue we go. Me and my big son and the MasterCard crew. There you go.
Sweet girl, she's not sleeping, you know. She actually looking across to see where the bros are. But look at this child filling out, guys. Oh my God, we are coming up to week 6. Ivy Arrow, you drop asleep? Wait there. Oh, see, look at item there. Sweet girl. Jazzy just called and said she's coming over to help me and Nana. Let me tell you something, she's excellent with the kids, all of them, including the baby. So the boys will be happy. They don't even know, but they'll be happy when she comes. So, whew, Jasmine saves the day.
Guys, last night was crazy. But I couldn't even do a review after the show. My battery dead. We were tired. Alright, we jump in the bed and we just knock out. We never get no breakfast, nothing at all. You hear?
Yo, but right now I'm never fully awake, bro.
Alright, when it's we reaching at like after 8, I would never stay for Sizzler, who was the last performance. The Dave Kelly tribute was alright. On the way back in, we're gonna do not really a review, but just a recap of the night's proceedings. But it was a great experience. I really enjoyed coming out with my big son. Yeah, we'll talk a little bit more about that in a little bit. Pack up time.
Did my little saving grace reach? Thank you, Jesus. Jasmina.
Hi. Oh my.
My sweetie, my saving grace. She already helped me with lunch. What you guys didn't see. Jazzy is like the big sister that they get to have.
Ivy's my little sister.
Ivy's your littlest love. And here you are. Oh, Jess, thank you so much. I love your hair, by the way.
Thank you.
What are you doing?
It's Cream of Nature and this new gel I got at Sephora called Pattern. I really love it.
Oh yeah, I've heard about Pattern.
Yeah.
I love
Look
that.
at this,
Guys, I keep telling Jasmine that she should do like a YouTube channel or something, or like on her stories about all of the products she uses in her hair and all that stuff. Don't it, Jazz?
Yes.
I think it would be so cool.
I agree.
And it's so nice to see like a 16-year-old not,
full of makeup.
Yes, I never want to say, but it's
because
true.
I'm not that kind of person.
You're not that girl, and
I'm
it's
a
okay.
natural person.
It's okay if you're that girl, but Jazzy isn't, and it's nice to kind of get your perspective and your point of view. So
Right.
I think Jazzy should do definitely something. Don't you agree? And she's always saying to me, "I don't know what I would do. I don't know what I would do." And I was saying, maybe reviews would be fun. Maybe talking about your life would be fun. I don't know. Think about it and leave in the comments if you think Jasmine should do something. I think you definitely
and
should.
suggestions like
That's right.
multiple things, because I guess I could do a lot of stuff and
Maybe you could teach us how to discipline them like a pick me out. We love giving trouble. Should strict it up, man. What?
kind of. Okay, no comment on that one.
I don't know how to balance this anymore. Anyway, I'm so glad you're here, my sweetie.
My little baby.
Yeah guys, we're back. We're heading back into town because we have no time to waste. We didn't even eat any food at half moon. You know it's serious when we don't even want to stop for food. We have to get back to the family. Last night was great. Really enjoyed it. Gia, your first Sumfest.
First Sumfest, bro.
A serious business that, you know?
Bro, it was brutal, but we make it through dark. We did it till 8 o'clock in the morning. I them start there a lot, bro.
Alright, but now I tell you like it's so joy talk because we used to them thing. That meaning say I know what I am in, for where Sumfest is concerned. Especially when I had the running order, so I realized that okay, this show is running 2 hours behind schedule, solid. So we're gonna be in it for the long haul. But I believe it was worth it though. I mean, the performances were solid through the night. I have to say the standout moments for me was definitely Berris. Berris, as usual, just had the crowd. I mean, there was a time when the artists were doing good performances, but the crowd was just standing up and watching and kind of just observing the performance. When Berris come up, the whole entire show lift up tune after tune after tune. It was just awesome. We got to meet some cool peeps too. You got to meet the finance minister Nigel Clark. We also met British Jamaican actor Michael Ward.
Yeah, man. I know him as Jamie though if you watch Top Boy.
If you watch Top Boy, like we and whole heap of Jamaica, you know about Jamie and Sully, and so that was cool. We got to hang out a little bit with him, and that was a good vibe. We're there in Jamaica with the real Top Boy. Them for know. Saying if you know, you know. You don't see. Saying too much, Top things. Top things. You don't know. Good to see you, bro. Welcome back to the Rock. Because I have to say welcome back. It's been a couple years, but couple. Try 20. Try 2 decades, bro. That's crazy. Yeah, man. Yeah, man. Good to see you, man. Keep up the great work. Isn't it? Yeah, man. Yeah, man. Respect every time. Yes. I was talking about the stand-up moments for me. And we go right back to the Dave Kelly tribute. And for me, that was a big deal because I got to watch Bounty, Beanie, Baby Sham, Frisco Kid, Mr. Easy, Wayne Wonder, all on stage at the same time. And that was just nostalgic. Dave Kelly boasts a dancehall catalog like no other producer. So that was just hits after. I'm sure you learned a lot about the music. Just seeing that tribute come together, eh? Fire, beer, fire, right through.
And no one else say baby Shambini man, I'm bound to get a ticket to the crowd, so bro.
Yeah man, and this is, we're talking about morning sun out. We're talking about after 7 in the morning,
Bro,
which is not a normal thing.
At the time where the crowd would have been most tired, them get the biggest fire for the whole night.
Exactly. But I mean, you have to expect that those are powerhouse names all on the stage at the same time, feeding off of each other, the crowd feeding off of all of their energy. It was just a all-round great vibe. The organization of the show was good. I mean, it really had the festival atmosphere 100%. What you say is your biggest takeaway from last night?
Bro, Bears. Can you see how the man never had one cold moment, bro? Bro, he had hit after hit after hit. Not one cold moment. The crowd never, not one time on him phone, look somewhere else every single time.
Alright, you have homework for them because you have to revisit his catalog now, understand the type of songs that Beres has written and why he has endeared himself to the Jamaican audience over the years. A lot of these songs are well over 20 years, well over 30 years old, and them can't dead, them don't dead, never. So you understand now, say there's levels to the game, there's levels to the music, and there's nothing like a great song. Beres don't have to put on no fanfare, him don't have to put on no pyrotechnics, him don't have to put on no clothes where impress people, where shock out. He just comes and sings his song and it never changes, it never gets old. People just love Beres right through. So that's a lesson to you as a young songwriter, you know what I mean? It's all about writing powerful songs, and there's nothing like a great catalog of music where performance is concerned, you know what I mean? Coffee was good. Dexter Daps was in his element in the early morning. Dexter Daps going wicked. You understand how Dexter Daps have the place right now.
Yeah, bro. The man voice control that. The man had, not one time him stopping. I've never in those stand still one time for the whole performance, but the man had jumped with every single song.
And him voice, him sound just like
it sound like an ultimate, brother.
No man. Once again, Seaview Garden produce another superstar in dancehall. Where the Beres fans there, tell Gio about some Beres man. Just tell him some songs in the comment section to look for on YouTube or Spotify or wherever you want to find them. Just give him some songs and go to the comment section, okay, Gio?
I'm here to check them.
And just check that out. Anyway, people, that was Sumfest. Good vibes. You also got to meet Lennox Lewis too, championship fighter, boxer, right? World champion. Yeah, it was just a good getaway. I mean, obviously you're here for the summer. I wanted to carry out outside of Kingston. I wanted to do it, and then this just kind of came up as a little work opportunity, and I was like, all right, you know what, this is the perfect opportunity for us to jump out. So holiday was good, our little escape from the bubble was good, and now we're heading right back into the thick of things. Maybe I have one more stop in the scotches something there, right? And Tami them I want some scotches, right? So that is the next stop. Hello. Hi guys.
Hi. Wow.
Jasmine tell me that I have a whole heap of praying to do.
You do. And you have a lot of bathing to do. And you are going to walk tonight.
I hope you are well refreshed.
And I am tired like a dog.
Oh gosh.
Still going.
Guys, see, that's why you have to just have awesome pair. You have to have an awesome team, you know. Because when one gone, the other one pick up the slack. I know that I come back, I come and pick up the slack.
That's right.
You understand? That is how it's done, people. division of labor. See me go on the road, go network and get work, you know it go.